how to pair your phone to your BMW with either iDrive 8 or iDrive 8.5. Go to your apps button right here. On iDrive 8.5 it's going to be on the bottom, on iDrive 8 it'll be on the side. But you just click the apps button, and then you're going to want to scroll down until you see mobile devices. Right here. Then you're going to want to hit connect new devices, and then make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone. So what I'm going to want to do is press on my phone, and then it'll ask you to confirm the request. You should get a notification on your phone, and you're just going to have to hit pair. So I'll do that in just a second. Alright, so once you hit pair, you're going to see you can either use Bluetooth or use Apple CarPlay. I'm just going to do CarPlay. Just hit continue. And then you should give it a few seconds. You should get a few more notifications. Alright, after accepting the prompts that popped up on your screen, once you hit the connect to CarPlay, as you can see, CarPlay's all connected up to your BMW. Now if you want to switch from BMW iDrive to CarPlay, you can either hit the BMW icon here or just hit home, and it'll bring you back to BMW's iDrive. And if you want to get back to CarPlay, you just hit the CarPlay logo, and it's as simple as that. If you have any more questions, please feel free to call the dealership and ask for Miguel.